What is up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you how to install WhatsApp. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open Play Store and then search here WhatsApp. Now click on WhatsApp Messenger and then click on install. After clicking on install, it will start installing your WhatsApp. So here you can see your WhatsApp will be installed. Now click on open and on home screen here you can see your WhatsApp. So this is the way to install WhatsApp app. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.